Good evening everyone, I'm here again. Welcome to my cooking session on Gayang's Life. I'll be cooking shrimp okoy. Okay, today is Friday. As a Catholic, we don't eat meat, we avoid eat meat during Fridays, during Lent season. So my ingredients: shrimp. I have prawn eggs. I used 2 of them. It's there already. 1 teaspoon of salt, minced onion, garlic, and cornstarch, and of course cooking oil when it's in the pan already. So what I did, I mixed it all together. All the ingredients: shrimp, cornstarch, salt, minced onion, garlic, and the 2 brown eggs. So init nga ni siya ang atong oil. Ato nang hinay butang ang atong shrimp okoy. Shrimp okoy. O, pag social distancing mo din na ha, para matarong magluto ha. Social distancing lang sa taron para lami ang resulta. So karon atong balihon para ma-even o luto. See what a beauty. What a beautiful sight. And my tummy is waiting. My tummy is waiting for this food. Kung nahaon na ang akong first, this looks good. Ooh, akong ibutang din na with paper towel para makuhan ang kuhan. Kita ka sa room sa background. OMG. Mura ko daan sa 5-star hotel. Ako ang chef. Yan na ito tigkanta sa likod. And this is my last batch. Mas daghang itlog. Woohoo! Yummy! Yummy! And of course, my baby Banshee. Yummy! Yummy! And this is mine. This is mine. It goes there. I'm gonna turn this off. So guys, this is the finished product. It's yummy, 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 yummy. Mauna siya ang finished product. It is shrimp okoy. Shrimp okoy. Until next time, thanks for watching.